C2, coordinate geometry of the circle, example 4. So there's two methods to doing this question. My favourite one is to create 3 simultaneous equations using this information. So, still using x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals r squared, where the circle is centre a, b, radius r, we can substitute in this point a, which is 6, 2, so that we have 6, which is our x value, minus a, which is the centre x value, squared, plus y, which is 2, minus b, which is the y value of the centre, squared, equals r squared. So that will be our equation 1. And then we'll have b, which is 8 minus 2. So again, x value 8 minus a, which is the x value of the centre, squared, plus minus 2, which is the y value, minus b, which is the y value of the centre, squared, equals r squared. So that's equation number 2. And then c, which is the point 0, 2, will be given 0, which is the x value, minus a, which is the x value of the centre, squared, plus 2, which is the y value, minus b, which is the y value of the centre, squared, equals r squared. And that will be equation 3. Now twice we are going to set equation number 3 equal to equation number 1. So that will give us, multiplying it out, a squared plus 4 minus 4b plus b squared equals 36 minus 12a plus a squared plus 4 minus 4b plus b squared. Now here we can see that we've got a plus 4, we've got an a squared, we've got a b squared, and we've got a minus 4b. So that means that we're just left with 0 is equal to 36 minus 12a. When rearranging this, we get 36 equals 12a, which means that a is equal to 3. Okay. Now, setting equation 3 equal to equation 2, we have the same things we had last time. A squared plus 4 minus 4b plus b squared is equal to, and now on this side this time we have 64 minus 16a plus a squared plus 4 plus 4b minus b squared. Sorry, plus b squared. So we've got an a squared, we've got a plus 4, we have a b squared. So this gives us minus 4b equals 64 minus 16a plus 4b. So taking the number values and the a's over to one side and the b's over to the other, we'll end up with minus 8b is equal to 64 minus 16a. But from this this first part here, we know that a equals 3. So substituting that in, we get minus 8b equals 64 minus 16 times 3, which we have got from here. Okay, so 16 times 3 gives us 48. So minus 8b equals 64 minus 48. So minus 8b is equal to 16, which means that b is equal to minus 2. So far we have found that a is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 2. So substituting these into our third equation gives us 0 minus 3 squared plus 2 minus minus 2, so that becomes plus 2 squared equals r squared. So from here we get 9 plus 2 plus 2 is 4 squared gives us 16 equals r squared. So 25 equals r squared, and because we take the positive square root, our r becomes 5. So put in all three of these into the equation of a circle. We get x minus a, which is 3, squared, plus y minus b, which is minus minus 2, so that becomes plus 2 squared, equals r squared. So 5 squared gives us 25. So this is the equation of our circle.